Welcome to the very first.
What is it?
Alright, this is the very first Lorenzos lesson. And if you don't know what this is, we're teaching. What do we call Lorenzo? What tier is he of knowledge?
What tier?
He's just existing for now.
Teaching a baby how to service a car. If he can do it, you can do it. So today we're gonna do an oil change, since we've never actually done one. Well, he's gonna do an oil change. Never done one. No, we have never done one on this car.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So this is Lorenzo's car. All right. So the first thing we oil.
Australian made.
Australian made. Australian.
Yeah, I actually like this oil.
5W30.
It's good.
We got a new filter. You can get these from where, Lorenzo?
Super cheap.
Oh, you fuck. Where can you get these?
From the auto parts store.
The auto parts store! We gotta cater to the Americans, dude. Come on. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is pop your cap off.
Yeah. Was someone gonna come out?
No.
Someone's gonna come out.
Yep, just take it all the way off. Alright, why do we do that?
We're gonna put the oil in there. Oh wait, we have to drain it out first.
Yeah, we have to drain it out first, yes.
We're gonna drain it out first.
Yeah. You want to jack up the car first.
Okay, what? Is anyone gonna show me how to jack the car up first?
You've never jacked up this car, have you?
No, never.
Oh, okay. To jack it up, you need to find your tow hook. Alright, so to find your jacking point, just look underneath the car, and it's where you would tow the car. Can you put your finger here, Lorenzo?
Oh no, sorry, I can't reach.
You can't reach. Yeah, so here there's like this small hook, where if you get it towed, they would put the hook through just to pull the car. Yeah, it's right here. And there's one on each side. So we're gonna jack it up from here. Lorenzo, come here, you fucking bitch. Have a look.
And what? Do I just...
Yep.
Like a pump? Oh god.
It's right. It's fine. It's normal. Alright, you need to pop your jack stands underneath. So you have to look under the car, right on the either left or right side. The metal, it's doubled up. And that's where you'd want to put your jack stand because it has extra support. Otherwise, if you put it further down anywhere along here, you can see sometimes previous owners, they've done it and it's going to be all bent and shit here. So right here is where you want to do it.
What?
So now you have your oil drain pan. You want to slide it under your oil pan. Do you know where that is?
No, I don't know.
Alright, so it's the...
Point the camera towards it. He's not playing a character, he's being legit.
He actually does.
What any of this is.
He actually has no idea.
This is him. That's just how he is.
Of course I actually don't know how to service a car.
Even when you say that, it sounds so bullshit.
Oh, really?
The bottom of your motor, see this steel pan right here underneath the motor? Right at the back there's a bolt sticking out. That's where you're going to drain your oil from. So you want to do this just underneath the bolt and then undo the bolt and the oil will just come straight out.
So I'd have to unbolt it.
Get your socket set.
What is it, like 10 mil or something?
I think it's a 17. Lorenzo's just going to break the tension on the bolt first until oil will start like just dripping out just a little bit. And then that's when you want to just do it by hand. You just don't want it to drop into the pan, otherwise you have to fish it out. So you have to be quick.
Oh fuck.
Yeah, that's what I mean. That's right. Did you drop it in there?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, you fuck! If you follow our channel already, you're probably wondering like, we've already done an oil change video. Yes, we have. Lorenzo's Lessons is just kind of like the official teaching series. So this is only going to be a quick one. This is just an introduction, but more episodes will get slowly more in depth. In the future, we're going to do brakes, bleeding brakes, simple things that people can do at the house. Eventually it's going to come down all the way to like an engine and manual swap. So that's later down the line.
Still leaking a little bit, do I just let it keep
still
going,
dripping? Or? Oh, it's probably just like the littlest bit. So you can pop the bolt back on now. Oh fuck, we have to find the bolt. Yeah. Hey. Alright, pull out the pan. There it is. I'll put it in the corner.
Yeah, where is it?
It's right in the corner. It might be a bit warm though.
How warm? Oh, it's fine. Oh no, it's not fine. so hot.
Go wash your hand in there.
Did he get it out though?
Yeah, he put his whole hand. For some reason he used both his hands. Why did you use both your
Help
hands?
me out. I used both.
Why did you use both your hands? Why did
Don't need a hand
Get all
wash.
that oil off your hands. And what you want to do, just go back under, and then you want to pop the bolt back on. Just make sure it's tight. Make sure you don't cross thread it. So if you start to tighten it and it already starts to get tight while the thread's still out, like before it's all the way in, then it's cross threaded. Take it out, make sure it's flush. Like you have to make sure the head of the bolt is going to go flat against the pan. Yeah, and then just tighten it down with the socket. Just make sure it's nice and tight. Lorenzo's just going to chuck the bolt back on, and then we're going to have to take off the oil filter. Jarrell is the only person I know that would let a B18C block just sit outside. Done, how do you feel?
Yeah, pretty good. A lot easier than I thought.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
He sounds sarcastic, but he's not. That's just how he speaks. It's how he speaks. Hello.
Hello.
How's work?
It was very good.
Is it hot?
That's alright.
Very hot. Very hot?
Yeah.
Looks like it. Alright, now we're gonna start popping off the filter. Lorenzo!
Yeah.
Underlay.
Did you guys already loosen the filter?
No, did you just take it off?
It's loose. I tried.
So get this underneath the filter. So the filter is right just at the back of the block. So it's right at the back. Back of the block. Right there. With oil filters, if you're lucky, you can undo it by hand, which is the case for Lorenzo's. Otherwise, you're gonna have to get a tool for it. So there's a tool like this where it'll just go straight on.
This is the same size.
You undo it, just like that. There's just a bunch of different types of tools. Some of them are chains. This is pretty much the easiest.
Because it actually goes on.
Yeah, it goes straight on. I'm gonna undo this filter and we pop the new one on. When you take it off, you want to face it up like this because oil's inside. So oil just doesn't spill down on the floor. There you go, that's it. There it is. Oh, yeah, there you go. That's all the oil coming out.
Hey, did he get it off?
Yeah,
Easy?
remove the plastic.
Easy, Lorenzo?
Yeah.
And now dip your finger in some of the oil and then you just want to lube up the seal.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Just all around.
Is that good enough or?
Yeah, that should be right. Just twist it back on. The opposite of what you just did.
Alright, so it's been tightening now.
It's been tightened. Why do you think we have to drop the carb before you fill the oil? You know why? Because when you read the oil level, if it's jacked up, it's not. Yeah. So it needs to be on flat ground. All right. Now get your oil, pop it open. Now you want to start filling. So do it
I
sideways.
can see some in there already.
That's alright. It's because it's still.
Is that where I fill it or?
Covered in.
Yeah, you're filling it here. It's because the internals are still covered. Oil. No.
You can hard to spill oil.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Very good.
There you go.
So when do I start?
So you want to just pour a bit at a time. You do not want to do it until oil comes out the top. All right, so use about 3/4 of the oil, and now we're just going to check the level.
How do you check the level?
So there's
You
a
put your
dipstick
finger
here.
inside here. You see like those lines here?
you use your phalanges. Use the
The phalanges.
yeah. Get a rag. You need a rag first,
Okay. What? Do I just wipe
and then
it?
wipe it clean first,
Chaotic.
just from the bottom. Just from
Chaotic.
the bottom.
Chaotic.
So your oil needs to be between these holes. It can be a bit above, but you just don't want it under.
Okay.
So wipe it off.
It's just at the bottom.
Just right at the bottom. More.
So I need more.
Yeah,
That's what I want.
That's right.
That's fine?
That's fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Lorenzo, that was lesson 1.
It's very good.
Yeah.
Nice and easy.
What would you rate the difficulty for?
Out of 8.
Out of... Why is it out of 8?
Yeah.
We'll say 3.5.
What's the difficulty? 3.5?
Yes.
Cool. What's the next lesson for you?
We're gonna swap the brake pads next.
You want to learn how to swap brakes?
Yes.
Should we do rotors as well? Nah. Just do the brakes?
We're not gonna do that?
No. It's expensive.
Okay.
Do you have money?
No.
Oh.